So it's the end of the day and I am tired, so let's get unready with me. I am tired, I am sleepy, my belly is full, I'm happy and I'm joyful. So yeah, I always have to take off my makeup and do my bed. No matter what time it is, do my unready with me routine. I just remember being in college and my friends like, you take off your makeup, they would sleep in their makeup. I cannot, my skin cannot tolerate that. So this is a get unready with me video. Let's get into it. So first step, take that off. Feels much better. So many of the brands that I'm gonna use today are
Black owned and Korean brands
I heard about on TikTok. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna start with the Pond's makeup remover. God sent for me. It's the only makeup remover that doesn't break out my face. So, and I've tried a few and I feel like it's very affordable. Take off my rings.
Some vacation time,
Especially the mascara. Now we have a wet makeup rag. I used to use the towelettes, but it would irritate my face. The rags are just, to me, it's better for my face, and I wash them, regularly. And I don't wear makeup as often as I used to. So I'm gonna use this micellar cleansing water. I love this. This is probably my favorite one because it has all-in-one brightening, cleanse and removes makeup to glow. No rinse, no rubbing, no residue. I'm gonna wash my face though.
one time. I need you. 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 Right now we're just taking time. All the things are wrong.
Feels so good when you take the makeup off. I really go in because I hate having mascara. Like when I see other people, when they take the day off and the mascara is still there. And if I need to, I'll go in just with a little bit more for the eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Green Plum Cleanser by Beauty of Joseon. It was on TikTok. So I wet my face. I don't know, I like to rub it in. Starting to do it for a good minute, really massage it in.
I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Okay. You like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Controller, yeah. Like controller, controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charge. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe, knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Just cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller.
The Glow Deep Serum Rice Alpha Urban Tube.
But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah. Like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charge. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
Always.
such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say,
sit there. And my lips are dry. So coconut milk and shea scented petroleum gel. Oh, sorry. Middle finger, because I don't want to use this one. That's where the fade cream was on.
so if you did lay, let me love you. Lay back, relax, girl, I'm a bit. I know just what you like. Intense, girl, let me do what I do. I don't know what's echoing louder, the music or you. Are you close to being done yet? It's getting real warm, like the calm of the thunder, right after the storm. You say, girl, gonna push it to the limit. See, second place, so in the race, I'm gonna be a number one. Here comes the sun. Let's try to taste them all again. As the sound of love ricochets off the wall.